How to link family members to my Disney experience.
The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Disney Experience is already installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your App Store or the Play Store. Once that's been installed, open the app. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is click on this 3 horizontal line at the bottom right corner and then head over to Family and Friends list. It will show you all the list of the people that you are friends on Disney Experience. Slide all the way to the top of the page.
Now, in order to link your Disney experience with your family, click on Add a Guest.
It says, how will you add this guest?
You can choose whichever method that you want to. Let me select I will enter this name and age. You have to fill up the information about your family. Once you are done filling up all of the information, click on Add Guest at the bottom. And then it will show you the profile of the person that you have just searched. After that, you will be able to get linked with them, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all, and this is simply how you can link family to my Disney Experience app. Make sure to smash the like button, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.